Dealing with a check engine light can be frustrating, but the right OBD2 scanner makes it simple. In this video, we explore the best tools for checking engine lights and much more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, OBDLink MX OBD2 Scanner. The OBDLink MX OBD2 Scanner is a powerful, budget-friendly diagnostic tool designed for all OBD2 compliant vehicles. This pocket-sized Bluetooth adapter acts as a scan tool, trip computer, and performance monitor. With 300% faster data sampling than competing adapters, it ensures quick and accurate diagnostics. The battery saver, sleep mode prevents battery drain, making it safe to leave plugged in for extended periods. What sets the OBDLink MX apart is its advanced security features. Unlike typical Bluetooth OBD adapters, it uses multi-layered security to protect against unauthorized access. It supports both GM SWCAN and Ford MSCAN networks, in addition to standard OBD2 protocols, expanding its compatibility. The enhanced diagnostics package provides OEM-level access to modules like ABS, airbag, transmission, and tire pressure systems. It also supports real-time data viewing and extensive trouble code descriptions. Plus, it's compatible with iOS, Android, Kindle Fire, and Windows devices. With free software updates and support for third-party apps, the OBDLink MX is a reliable and versatile tool. Its compact form, combined with features like automatic sleep and wake-up, makes it a must-have for any car owner or professional mechanic. Second product on our list, XTOOL Anyscan A30M Diagnostic Tool. The XTOOL Anyscan A30M OBD2 Scanner is a versatile diagnostic tool that provides full system diagnostics for over 85 vehicle brands, covering 10,000+ vehicles worldwide. It offers in-depth diagnostics for engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, and more. The Auto VIN feature quickly identifies vehicle information, saving you time. With bidirectional control, the scanner performs active tests on system components like fuel injectors and wipers, ensuring precise diagnosis. A standout feature is its 8-in-1 live data graph, which displays real-time data from multiple vehicle systems simultaneously. The tool also supports 21 maintenance functions such as ABS bleeding, oil reset, and EPB. With Bluetooth connectivity, it provides wireless diagnostics up to 33 feet away. The A30M also includes lifetime free updates and lifetime remote technical support. It's available in 15 languages, ensuring accessibility for a global user base. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, and its lightweight build enhances portability. Third product on our list, Topdon TopScan OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Topdon TopScan Lite is a versatile and powerful OBD2 diagnostic tool, designed for users who need a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for their vehicle's health. Supporting over 60 vehicle brands, this scanner covers systems such as engine, ABS, airbag, transmission, and more. It's perfect for both professionals and DIYers looking to monitor all critical vehicle systems. One standout feature is the DTC Repair Guide, which helps users understand fault codes and offers step-by-step repair instructions. With bidirectional control, users can test subsystems like fuel injectors or windshield wipers, allowing for precise diagnostics. The TopScan also offers access to all 10 OBD2 modes, providing essential data like live stream diagnostics, freeze frame data, and more. Additionally, the tool includes 8 reset functions, covering oil reset, ABS bleeding, and more. For those wanting to do key programming, the optional add-on works across 44+ brands. Plus, Bluetooth connectivity ensures easy and fast usage. The TopScan is a must-have for anyone seeking efficient vehicle diagnostics. Fourth product on our list, Mucar BT200 Pro Diagnostic Tool. The Mucar BT200 Pro OBD2 Diagnostic Tool, the ultimate solution for comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. Weighing just 0.2 kilograms, this lightweight device is perfect for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. With its 2024 latest software and hardware, the BT200 Pro ensures accurate and reliable performance for all your car diagnostic needs. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth technology, the BT200 Pro connects effortlessly to your smartphone or tablet. This 3-in-1 scanner offers 15 reset maintenance functions, making it versatile for all car systems. Whether you need to diagnose the engine, ABS, SRS, or transmission, this tool handles it all with ease. No more juggling multiple scanners. One BT200 Pro does the job for various car models. The full system diagnosis feature allows the BT200 Pro to access and read ECU information across all available systems. From engine fault codes to tire pressure monitoring, it provides detailed insights and live data streams in easy-to-read graphs. This ensures you can identify and address issues promptly, enhancing vehicle safety and performance. Real-time monitoring is a standout feature of the BT200 Pro. It displays live data streams, helping you visualize engine performance, ABS functionality, and more. The tool also supports CE certification, guaranteeing quality and reliability. Whether you're on the road or in the garage, the portable Mucar BT200 Pro is your trusted companion for all diagnostic tasks. Fifth product on our list, Ancel BD310 OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Ancel BD310 OBD2 Automotive Scanner is a 3-in-1 diagnostic tool that combines functionality, versatility, and ease of use. With Bluetooth connectivity and a HUD display feature, this scanner transforms vehicle diagnostics. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative tool offers 3 modes of use: handheld, Bluetooth connected to a smartphone or tablet, or as a supplemental dashboard display. It even includes a vent mount and magnetic backplate for added convenience. Monitor engine speed, battery voltage, and more in real time. The BD310 supports full OBD2 modes. It reads and clears fault codes, performs O2 sensor tests, retrieves VINs, and generates diagnostic reports. Additional features include acceleration testing, braking distance measurement, and battery performance monitoring. Real-time data analysis, graphical displays, and driving behavior insights set this scanner apart. It tracks fuel consumption, speed, and pressure while identifying and correcting bad driving habits. Compatible with over 98% of vehicles and supporting 8 languages, the Ancel BD310 is reliable and user-friendly. Simplify your car care with this powerful tool today.